Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In my pursuit to find hidden gems in the altcoin forest, I've stumbled upon something that checks all the boxes. Sonic. Fantom has officially rebranded as Sonic Labs, and with its new mainnet, it's shaking up the DeFi world. Stick around because I'll break down the airdrop opportunity, a new decentralized exchange, and an AI-powered tool that could change the game. Let's dive in. On December 18, 2024, the Fantom Foundation officially rebranded as Sonic Labs and launched the Sonic mainnet. Not all centralized exchanges have upgraded to the new Sonic token S yet. For example, on BingX, it's still listed under FTM. BingX is handling the swap automatically for users on January 13th at 2 a.m. UTC. Until then, FTM tokens won't be available for trading during the swap window. Here's what I did. I bought FTM on BingX, transferred it to my MetaMask wallet, and swapped it for the new S token on the Sonic mainnet. The process was super fast and cost me just fractions of a cent. I started by adding both the Fantom and Sonic RPC networks to my existing MetaMask wallet. To make the process smoother, I expanded the MetaMask view, which provides better copy and paste functionality. First, I visited the official Fantom Foundation website to get the accurate RPC details for the Fantom mainnet. While websites like chainlist.org can also provide RPC details, it's always safer to rely on original sources, which in this case was the Fantom Foundation site. After adding the Fantom RPC network, I clicked on the Receive button in MetaMask to get my FTM wallet address. I copied this address and went to BingX to withdraw my FTM tokens to this address. Once the tokens were sent, I moved on to adding the Sonic Network RPC details. Next, I visited the official Sonic Labs documentation to get the new Sonic Network RPC details and added them to my MetaMask wallet. Again, while chainlist.org is an option for finding RPC information, I recommend prioritizing original sources for accuracy and security. With both RPC networks now added, my MetaMask was ready to interact with the Sonic network. When the FTM tokens were received in my MetaMask wallet, I headed over to my .soniclabs.com. From there, I used the swap functionality. By clicking on Upgrade FTM, I was able to swap my FTM tokens for the native Sonic S tokens. The swap was simple and seamless. Once the process was completed, I clicked on the Upgrade History button, located in the top right corner of the platform, to confirm the upgrade status. In the History section, the status was marked as completed, indicating that the swap was successful. At this point, I officially own the native S token. With my S tokens ready, I visited the newly launched decentralized exchange, WAGMI. This platform, relaunched from Popsicle Finance, allows users to swap S tokens for any Sonic-related tokens. I connected my MetaMask wallet, signed the approval request, and then swapped some of my S tokens for the native WAGMI token and the HeyAnon token. After swapping, I proceeded to add liquidity and stake some of my tokens directly on the platform. Now I'm all set to explore the Sonic ecosystem. The Sonic ecosystem is packed with new tools and opportunities. First, there's WAGMI, the new decentralized exchange replacing Popsicle Finance. With WAGMI, I bought two tokens that caught my attention. The first is the WAGMI token, the native token of the DEX. The second is HeyAnon, an AI agent token designed to simplify your crypto journey. Both of these have been performing exceptionally well, even as other altcoins have struggled. Sonic is gearing up for a massive 200 million S token airdrop, which is worth $133 million at current prices. Here's how you can qualify and maximize your share. You can earn points in three ways. First, by holding whitelisted assets in your Web3 wallet. Second, by deploying those assets as liquidity on approved DeFi apps. And third, by earning app-specific bonus points through programs where apps compete for additional rewards. The whitelisted assets include SCUSD and others, with boosted points for early participants. The first season runs until June 2025, so there's time to build up your rewards. A dashboard is launching soon to track your points, so stay tuned. One of Sonic's standout innovations is HeyAnon, an AI-powered agent. This tool promises to simplify crypto trading by executing trades, giving you real-time news, managing your portfolio, and handling DeFi functionality across platforms. It's like having your own personal crypto assistant. Let's recap the highlights. The launch of the Sonic Mainnet and rebranding from Fantom. A huge $133 million airdrop with a sustainable points-based system. A brand new DEX, WAGMI, that's already delivering value. The game-changing AI agent, HeyAnon, built to streamline DeFi. For me, Sonic is more than just a rebrand. It's a full ecosystem upgrade. But remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before jumping in. This channel focuses on technical analysis and trading Bitcoin longs, but from time to time I'll share exciting Web3 updates like this. If you found this valuable, leave a comment, smash the like button, and hit subscribe with the bell icon to stay updated. Let's keep hunting those gems together. And see you in the next one.